Hello everyone, welcome to the app that I made for MIT App Inventor. It is called Quiz Me. Here to make this app, you first have to, I just uploaded an image, create a label explaining what you have to do. I made some videos so you could get hints for the questions, and I made a text box and a check answer, choose answer, move to the next question. Now let's first look at the designer before we do anything. First, you can see the first component, screen 1, as you can just see, has just an image upload to it. Then I just had a label one, which is this all the way up here. This is my image. This is my table adjustment, just adjust the buttons to make them look better. These are all my video buttons, then just another table to align them. And it's my question label, so the question can pop up. And then another label with a text box in it. And some questions, because a lot of the MCQ questions is where I have multiple choice questions. The check answer checks the answer. The next question moves to the next question, and these just help me portray the videos on the screen. Okay, now let's first look at the blocks that I had made for this app. The first one, let me talk about, is my MCQ Choices. Basically, I created a variable called MCQ Choices. Then it makes a list, and then in that list it has some answers towards the question. Like, for example, my first question is, where is the falls located? It's located in Argentina and Brazil. That's the right answer. Same with my next one, which country has a unicorn as a national animal? Scotland would be the right answer there. The next thing that I added in my code was the check answer. So basically, if answer text.text is equal to, well, my answer list, which we can find all the way here, which has my answers. And if it's also equal to my global current index, which is, well, this, then the answer is right. If not, well, it's just going to play no with a different sound. Next, this is my video 1 and video 2. They're about the same thing. I just made a button, and when you click the video button, it'll just play the video. Same works here. This is my question list, as you already know. It's just a list with the questions on it. Here are my MCQ choices. It just provides multiple choice questions, but it's a tad bit different because instead of a text box, it's a selection. So when the selection is equal to my global answer list and the index, it's just going to say correct, play yes, and wrong. It's going to say no. Again, this works like the other videos, video 6, and now here's my answer list. The answer list I kind of already described in brief, it just contains all the answers, so the code knows what to compare to. The next thing I have is my videos. This is video 7, it just has, a link here. Works same as video 1, 2, and 3. This is my current question index, it's just a variable I've set to 1. So again, it shows what questions I have, so it doesn't get confused. Then I made a new variable, it's called Initialize Global Picture. Basically, it just sets up the pictures in the designer. As you can see here, it just sets up this picture. Next one is another video, just video 2. Works same as video 1 and video 10. Now here's my MCQ choices. When I set my MCQ choices, it sets it to my questions, my MCQ questions, and the index. So and also question it's in. So if global current question index is equal to length of list, you get length of list, and then you set the question index to 0, because that's how it works. And then, there's the screen 1. I set my question label text to select item from the get question list. I did the same with my choices. Again, these videos work the same. And then my next question, it's a catalyst of them all. So when next question is clicked, I set the wrong answer to nothing because it's over. And I set my right answer to nothing because, well, I move on to the next question. And if global current index is equal to the length of the list, I get the global question index, then I set the global question index to 0. Then after that, you just set the global question index to +1, because when it goes to the next question, it needs to be able to move on. And then after that, I do my question label .text to select item list, and I get question list, and then I just call out the index. Then I set image1 picture to basically the same thing, except it's picture list because it's involving a picture. And then I get to the index. This is basically how the code works. This app basically, I made about countries. You can basically make it what you want. Hopefully it provides some learning opportunity for you guys to know, because at the end of the day, this app is just a basic quiz app with fairly basic and understanding components. Like, let's look at it again. So again, you have your label, explain the app. You have a picture, because you need to know it's like a hint. You have your videos, trying to go to the next question. You have a text box, trying to get the correct answer. You have a right or wrong feature, which gets changed depending on your answer, and you can choose your answer. If you want to do multiple choice for a while, you can check it to see if you're right or wrong, or you can just straightforward and go to the next question. And it plays some music. So this is how I made my Quiz Me app. Tell me what you think, and I hope you all have a great day.